In this video, I will show you the steps to set up development environment. In this course, we will use Visual Studio Code for developing the Lightning Web Component. And in order to set up VS Code for development, you need to perform some steps on your laptop or computer. The first step is you need to install the Salesforce CLI from this link. I will provide the link into the resources section. Let me just copy link URL here. So based on your operating system, you need to install the CLI. After installing the CLI, what you have to do is install the Visual Studio Code from this link. Let me just copy the link, open it here. You have to install Visual Studio Code based on your operating system. Please install the latest version. Now, after installing it, launch the Visual Studio Code. Launch the Visual Studio Code and click on this extension icon and search for the extension which I have named here. Name of the extension is Salesforce Extension Pack. You have to search this Salesforce Extension Pack and click on install. Let's go back here. Search for the extension pack. You have to install this extension. I have already installed. Why? I am not seeing the install button, but when you click on this, you will see an install button here. You click on it, and after doing all these three, what you can do is you can complete this trailhead module to verify all the steps. There is a challenge here in this trailhead module titled Quick Start Lighting Web Component. In this module, they tell us how to set up a Visual Studio Code for developing Lightning Web Component. So complete this trailhead module, and if you are able to complete this trailhead module, it means you have set up your computer for developing LWC components. Let's meet into the next video. Thank you.